மெஷ் அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் என்னென்னாப்பா, இங்கே பாருங்கள், இங்கே ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுறேன், ஐ எம் ஸ்டார்டிங் ஹியர் அண்ட் ஐ எம் கம்மிங் பேக் ஹியர், there is a path. பாருங்கள், இப்படி I can come back and I can come back through this way also, I can come back through this way also. So I am having many options. Mesh is like a loop, that's all. Starting point and ending point, there will be a way. So when we are connecting negative to positive, if there is a way, there will be a current. அதுதான். இப்போ இது ஒரு மெஷ், இது ஒரு மெஷ், இது ஒரு மெஷ். We are having 3 meshes and I am assuming one current direction. In general, it is regular practice to assume clockwise direction. I am assuming I1 current in clockwise direction for this mesh alone, and I am assuming I2 current in clockwise direction for mesh 2, and I am assuming I3 current in clockwise direction for this mesh 3. Now I am writing equation according to Kirchhoff's current law. According to Kirchhoff's voltage law. Now we are applying Kirchhoff's voltage law in mesh 1. I am starting here and I am consolidating all the potentials inside the mesh. What is KVL is actually telling, in a mesh or in a closed loop, sum of potential equal to 0. I am summating now. Now I am starting traveling from here and I am going through this mesh. Now I am seeing negative sign, you write this negative sign, and potential is directly given, you write that 100. Any doubt? Now coming to this resistance, this resistance also will have a potential, it will hold a potential at these 2 points. அதோடைய 2 point, அதோடைய 2 எண்டில் it will possess a potential, it will hold. Okay, and is this absorbing power or delivering power? When it is coming to resistance, is it absorbing or delivering? Absorbing. Okay, absorbing. Where the current will enter, at positive or negative? Positive. And leave it, because we have given current direction as clockwise. Clock means this is clock, it will rotate in clock. So current entering at positive, leaving at negative. This is the potential across 15 ohm resistance. Any doubt? And coming to this 20 ohm, coming to this 20, current is entering at positive, leaving at negative, since it is absorbing power. Any doubt? Okay, now I am consolidating. Here potential is not directly given. So when potential is not directly given, what you have to do? V equal to IR. This formula you have to use. Current we have assumed I1. See the sign. I am seeing initially positive, so I am writing positive. Any doubt? Okay. IR, current is I1, resistance is 15. So 15 I1 is the potential across this resistance. Any doubt? And coming to 20 ohm, this 20 ohm is common for mesh 1 and mesh 2. Current I1 is also flowing, current I2 also flowing. Current I1 is entering at the top of the 20 ohm resistor, because this is the direction, clockwise. And coming to I2, this is also flowing in clockwise direction only. And where the I2 will enter, I1 is entering at the top of the resistance, I2 is entering at the bottom of the resistance. So I1 and I2, both currents are flowing in 20 ohm, both are in opposite direction. So what is the total current? One value minus another value, either it may be I1 minus I2 or I2 minus I1. Because we are writing mesh 1 equation, we are considering I1 minus I2. Any doubt? See, you are seeing positive sign here. 20 ohm is the resistance, 2 currents are flowing, both are opposite. We are writing mesh equation 1. So I am taking I1 first and I2 second, equal to 0. Sum of potential equal to 0. Any doubt in writing this equation? Because if you have written the equation, problem is completed. Now I am summating 20I1, 15I1, 35I1, 35I1 and minus 20I2 plus 30I3, 0I3 equal to minus 100 அந்த பக்கம் போச்சுன்னா plus 100. இதுதான் equation 1. Any doubt? According to KVL in mesh 2. In mesh 2. Now you tell me the equation part. See, current is circulating in clockwise direction. So current is entering here. So you are giving positive here. Automatically negative will come here. And coming to 30 ohm, current is entering at positive, leaving at negative. This polarity for mesh equation 1. Now you have to give new polarity. Current is entering at the bottom. So you have to give positive here, you have to give negative. Any doubt? In this mesh equation 2, there are 3 elements. So 3 potential. Potential means you have to give polarity. I am giving polarity according to the direction of current. Since it is absorbing power, current will enter at positive, leave at negative. Since we have assumed clockwise direction, we are giving positive sign here, negative sign here. Since current is entering here, we are giving positive sign and negative sign here. Since we are entering at positive, negative, that's all. Now you are consolidating. I am starting from here and I am completing the circle. I am traveling through this way and I am summating all potential, what all I am seeing on the way. Now you are seeing positive sign here. This is 20 ohm. 2 currents are flowing, I2 and I1. Both are opposite. Now I am writing mesh equation 2. So you write I2 initially and I1 next. This is the voltage across 20 ohm resistor in mesh 2. Any doubt? Now come to this 5 ohm part. Positive sign I am seeing 5 I2 only, because in this arm, in the top arm, there is only one current is flowing, I2 only flowing here. And coming to this arm, there is an element 30 ohm. I am seeing positive potential here, 30. This is common for I2 and I3. Now I am mesh equation 2 I am writing. So I2 I am writing first. I3 is opposite, because I2 entering on from the top, I3 is entering from the bottom. So I2 minus I3. And there are 3 potential only. There is no source in mesh equation 2. So equal to 0. That's all. Now I am consolidating. Minus 20 I1, I2, 20 I2, 5 I2, 30. 30 plus 5, 35, 45, 55. Plus 55 I2 minus 30 I3 equal to 0. This is equation 2 pa. Any doubt? And coming to mesh 3. Now you try to write pa. I have assumed I3 in clockwise direction. So according to clockwise direction, I have to enter at positive, leave at negative, since it is absorbing power. Coming here, they have already given polarity, so don't disturb. When it is already given, you need not to alter, okay, simple. And come to the 30 ohm. Current, since this is absorbing power, current will enter at positive, leave at negative. Simple. Now you sum it. I am starting from here. You may start at anywhere, pa. You may start at here also. I am starting now here. For example, now I am starting from here. I am consolidating. 5 I3. Any doubt? And I am seeing positive sign here. Positive potential is directly given, so I am writing 100 directly. And coming here, I am seeing positive sign, 30 ohm resistance two currents are flowing, I3 as well as I2. I am writing mesh equation 2, that's why I am writing I3 initially, and I2 is opposite, so I have written negative sign and writing the value I2. That's all. Three potential are there equal to 0. Now I am consolidating 0 I1 minus 30 I2 plus 35 I3 equal to this positive 100. When you are moving to right hand side, it will become negative 100. This is equation 3. Now I am writing the coefficients of all currents as a matrix. Simple, I am writing coefficient matrix. 35 minus 20, 0, minus 20, 55 minus 30, 0, minus 30, 35. Because we are going to find I1, I2 and I3, that's why I am writing like this, 100, 0, minus 100. After that you have to apply Cramer's rule. Have you studied Cramer's rule? That is the lengthy procedure. You have to find delta. What is delta pa? Determinant you have to find out, and delta 1 means you have to replace this column with these values, that is delta 1. That will take another 30 minutes, and surely you will get wrong answer, because in substitution you will change some values. That's why here you can use calculator. That's why I have already told you to bring calculator. Take that calculator. Okay, you press mode. First switch on pa, next press mode. What it is showing pa? SCI something it is showing. Again you press mode. Again you press. Can you see EQN? Equation. Then equation mode you give. Equation mode enna kodukudhu 1 kekudha. அது 1 கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா ஈக்குவேஷன் மோடுக்கு போயிடும். Now what it is asking? Unknowns. How many unknowns here pa? 3 unknowns. Okay, 3. You enter as 3. A1 means first element is A1, and you enter 35 and press equal symbol. Press 35 and press equal symbol. A1 is it asking or not pa? You write, you enter 35 and but press equal button, equal to button. Now it is asking B1 B1 minus 20, C1 0, D1 100. Like that you enter all values pa. Now it will give X value. What is X pa? What is X? 1 point? 1.9. But don't write it as X. You have to give name as I1. Y enapa? 1.6 ampere. I3 4.2 ampere. So these are all the 3 currents. Now I have found I1, I2, I3. And if you want to find potential across any element, now you can find, because if you want to find the voltage across this 5 ohm. What is the current flowing this through 5 ohm? Pa? Simple. I2 into 5 is voltage across 5 ohm. And 20 ohm, either you can substitute I1 minus I2 or I2 minus I1. Polarity may be changed, but magnitude remains constant. And 30 ohms means either you can substitute I2 minus I3 or I3 minus I2 into 30. So by this way you can find out voltage, current, power of any element in circuit. Okay. But actually what they are asking, current flowing through 30 ohm resistor. Where is 30 ohm? Here. I 30 ohm equal to, either you can substitute I2 minus I3 or I3 minus I2, no problem. I2 is minus 1.6 minus of minus 4.2. You see, the answer will come 2.62 ampere. 13 mark.